Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the minimal HTML, a wrapper div, an img, and an overlay div for text. Use position, relative on the wrapper so the overlay can sit over the image. This makes positioning predictable. Once done, set the img to block and a defined width so layouts don't shift. Make the overlay position, absolute, top, 0, left, 0, width, 100%, height, 100% so it covers the image completely and is ready for styled text. Now style the overlay so your message is readable and well-placed. Use display. Flex with align items and justify content centered to quickly center text both ways. This avoids manual margins. Apply background, RGBA 0000. 35 for contrast. Choose font size responsive units like REM or VW, and add text shadow for better legibility over photos. Make sure the overlay has a higher z-index than the image, and if it isn't, finish by making the text responsive and robust across viewports. Add media queries to scale font size and padding at key breakpoints so text stays readable on phones and desktops. If you have multiple lines, set max width on the text container and a comfortable line height to prevent awkward wraps. Once implemented, test different images and aspect ratios. If something goes wrong, inspect z-index and the positioned ancestor. Ensure the wrapper is position, relative, and that the image isn't interfering due to object fit or lazy loading behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.